Healthy sheep produce resilient fibers prized for durable premium carpeting.
Coats are filling out evenly.
Keep them moving toward the north gate. Pasture conditions influence wool strength, cleanliness, color, and final texture. Clean water and calm handling help protect valuable carpet-grade wool.
Give that one some room.
Experienced graders identify fiber qualities before wool enters industrial processing.
Mark this lot as medium, clean crimp.
Natural crimp gives wool the spring needed for resilient carpets.
That recovery looks strong.
Good candidate for carpet yarn. Staple length helps determine spinning performance and finished carpet durability.
That length should spin cleanly.
Record it with lot 12. Uniform fiber diameter creates smoother yarn and more consistent floor texture.
Diameter is holding consistent across this sample.
Keep it in the premium group.
Removing seeds and debris improves efficiency during later washing stages.
This side has less field material.
Good, keep that section together.
Springy wool fibers recover after pressure, supporting long carpet life.
That bounce will help underfoot performance.
Excellent recovery on this lot.
Veteran shearers remove complete fleeces while protecting both sheep and wool.
Nice clean pass along the shoulder.
Keep the fleece together.
Skirting removes heavily soiled edges before fleece reaches the grader.
Center section looks clean and even. Save that for the main lot.
Fresh fleeces are rolled carefully to preserve fiber alignment and cleanliness.
Keep the clean side facing inward.
Aligned and ready. Hydraulic presses compact graded wool into dense, transport-ready farm bales.
Pressure is steady at the target mark.
Hold it there. Collected wool leaves the farm organized, protected, and ready for transport.
All 6 bales are assigned to this shipment.
Staging complete. Veteran workers separate wool grades to preserve consistency during processing.
Medium grade stays together for this mill order.
Moving it now. Each bale receives a final visual check before transport begins.
Wrap is intact and the tag matches.
Release it for loading.
Source records keep every shipment traceable from farm to factory. Reorganization.
All source records complete?
Every bale is matched and traceable. Careful staging prevents mixed lots from entering the wrong shipment. Move lot 14 to shipment B. Copy. Lane B.
Straight ahead, then hold at the trailer. Holding position.
Experienced loaders balance each trailer to protect cargo during transit.
Center this pallet with the forward group.
Aligned on the mark.
Protective covers shield raw wool from moisture, dust, and road debris.
Cover the rear corners before we secure it.
Both sides are protected. Load restraints keep compressed bales stable throughout long highway journeys.
Rear anchor is seated correctly.
Front strap is locked.
Shipping paperwork confirms bale counts, weights, grades, and destination details.
Counts and weights confirmed? Everything matches the outbound record.
The wool shipment travels by highway toward the carpet manufacturing plant.
Any movement in the rear group?
Everything remains tight and centered.
Scheduled inspection stops verify restraints remain secure during transportation journeys.
The transport team approaches the plant under controlled delivery scheduling.
Proceed to receiving Lane 3.
Lane 3 confirmed. Arriving trailers queue safely before entering the designated receiving dock.
Trailer number verified. Proceed to Dock 3.
Thank you, heading in.
Receiving crews verify shipment identity before unloading any raw wool.
Farm lot 12 matches today's appointment.
Trailer is secure for opening.
Industrial scales record incoming bale weights for inventory and production. Hold clear until the reading settles. Forks are fully withdrawn.
Veteran inspectors examine bale condition for moisture, damage, and contamination.
No tears or visible contamination on this side.
Moisture reading is normal.
Sample cuts confirm wool grade consistency before the shipment is accepted.
Crimp and color match the declared grade.
Approve this lot for intake. Accepted bales enter controlled storage before cleaning and fiber preparation.
Lot 12 goes into position 4.
Position 4 confirmed.
Opening machines loosen compressed wool before the first cleaning stage begins. Feed rate is steady at 30%. Keep the first bale moving evenly.
Controlled scouring removes natural oils, dust, and remaining field contaminants.
Temperature is holding at the set point.
Multiple rinse stages carry loosened impurities away from cleaned wool fibers.
Final rinse is running clear.
Good, keep the turnover steady.
Centrifugal extraction removes excess water without crushing delicate fiber structure.
Water discharge looks clean and steady.
Extraction is right on target.
Drying airflow restores clean wool to a soft, workable condition.
Outlet moisture is within specification.
Keep the belt speed unchanged. Mechanical openers separate dried fleece into lighter, more uniform fiber.
Opening density is even across the width. Maintain this feed setting.
Trap check shows one small fragment.
Record it and continue the lot.
Magnetic and mechanical traps remove stray metal before carding begins.
Blending systems combine wool lots for consistent color and performance.
Lot 14 needs 2% more feed.
Adjusting the second apron now. Measured fiber feeds stabilize material flow into the primary carding line.
Left side depth is matching center now.
Good, hold the leveling setting.
Prepared wool enters production clean, blended, dry, and evenly distributed.
Blend, moisture, and feed all check out.
Release the lot to carding.
Carding cylinders align tangled fibers into a continuous, uniform web. Cylinder speed is steady across the section.
Web formation looks even.
Fine wire clothing progressively straightens fibers across rotating carding drums.
Transfer looks clean with no fiber buildup.
Maintain cylinder spacing. The carded web condenses into narrow slivers for controlled handling.
All channels are feeding evenly.
No breaks across the web.
Drafting rollers even fiber thickness before the sliver reaches spinning.
Draft is even across all 6 ends.
Keep tension where it is.
Precise roller speeds control tension while preserving natural wool resilience. Front roller speed is right on set point. Fiber tension remains steady. Spinning frames twist aligned wool fibers into strong, continuous yarn.
All ends are running without breaks.
Keep the frame at current speed.
Twist is holding evenly through the sample.
That will give us stable carpet yarn.
Twist levels determine yarn strength, flexibility, and final carpet behavior.
Automatic winders transfer finished yarn onto large production-ready packages efficiently.
Package shoulders are building evenly.
Keep the traverse setting unchanged. Electronic sensors detect yarn breaks before they disrupt continuous production.
Position 8 and stopped exactly as designed.
I'll clear it after full stop. Finished wool yarn packages move forward toward carpet formation machinery.
All packages are assigned to the same production lot.
Moving them to the next staging area. Both ends are feeding at equal tension.
Keep this pair together through twisting.
Multiple yarn strands combined before twisting create stronger carpet-ready construction.
Controlled twisting locks parallel yarns together for improved strength and balance.
Twist balance is holding across the frame.
Keep every position on this setting. Each setting stabilizes twist and helps carpet yarn retain resilience.
Chamber temperature is even from side to side.
Maintain this dwell time.
Steam relaxes internal stresses while preserving the yarn's engineered structure.
Steam pressure is stable through the chamber.
Keep moisture delivery exactly there.
Cooling fixes the stabilized yarn structure before color processing begins.
Temperature and moisture are both back in range.
Release it to package inspection.
Package inspectors verify density, shape, and winding quality before dyeing.
Density and package build are both within range.
Send this group to color processing.
Dye machines saturate wool yarn evenly with precisely controlled color.
Circulation and temperature match the approved formula.
Hold the shade cycle exactly there.
Rinsing removes excess dye while preserving the intended carpet shade.
Return water is clear on the final pass.
Move this batch to drying. Drying returns colored yarn to a stable, tufting-ready moisture level.
Moisture is stable from surface through the core.
Release this carrier to tufting preparation. Positions 40 through 48 are fully threaded.
Continue with the gray sequence.
Tufting needles drive colored yarn repeatedly through primary carpet backing.
All yarn feeds are synchronized with backing speed.
Begin the patterned production run.
Needle timing controls stitch placement across the full carpet width.
Needle timing is consistent across this section.
Keep the stitch rate unchanged.
Loop pile construction forms durable rows of uncut yarn loops.
Loop height is even across the center.
Maintain the current yarn feed.
Precision knives cut selected loops to create soft, upright pile.
Cut ends are opening cleanly with no pulling.
Knife action looks balanced. Backing tension keeps the carpet foundation flat during high-speed tufting.
Both edges are centered through the feed path.
Keep tension at this setting.
Next repeat starts after this gray section.
Pattern sequence is synchronized.
Pattern controls vary yarn placement to build repeating floor designs.
Different yarn colors combine row by row into coordinated patterns.
Brown accents are landing exactly on the repeat.
Color sequence is matching the design map.
Dessous. The emerging carpet reveals texture, color, and pattern simultaneously together.
Texture and color are matching across the full.
Veteran inspectors check tufted carpet before secondary backing and finishing.
No missed stitches through this pattern repeat.
Surface is cleared for secondary backing. Secondary backing is tracking evenly on both edges.
Hold this alignment through bonding.
Secondary backing strengthens the tufted carpet and stabilizes dimensional performance.
Adhesive coating bonds primary and secondary layers into one structure.
Application weight is steady across the full width. Maintain roller pressure through this run. All temperature zones are holding within specification.
Keep the conveyor speed constant. Controlled curing locks the backing system firmly beneath the carpet.
Precision shearing levels surface fibers for a clean, consistent finish.
Blade clearance is even across the carpet width.
Keep the surface pass exactly there.
Final brushing lifts the pile and prepares inspection-ready carpet surfaces.
Loose fiber is clearing evenly across the width.
Surface is ready for quality inspection.
Inspectors examine every pattern repeat for alignment, color, and defects.
Edge inspections verify straight trimming and uniform pile across borders. Right edge measurement is holding steady.
Left border is straight through this repeat. Veteran workers compare carpet shades beneath standardized inspection lighting daily.
Blue field matches after correcting the pile direction. Record this roll as shade approved.
Pattern measurements confirm every geometric repeat remains correctly positioned throughout.
Repeat length matches the approved production specification.
Pile checks reveal missing tufts before carpet advances toward finishing.
No missing tufts along this gray transition. Surface continuity is good through the repeat.
Backing inspectors verify strong bonding without bubbles, wrinkles, or separation.
No lifting around the center or border.
Bonding is consistent across this section.
Surface brushing exposes subtle defects hidden between dense wool fibers. The brushed surface shows no hidden irregularities here.
Mark this repeat as visually clear.
Width remains constant through the entire measured section. Both edges are tracking straight.
Roll inspection confirms consistent.
Rekli is Ninkane.
Recovery is fast and the pile feels evenly dense. This section has the expected wool resistance.
Visual inspection is complete with no reportable defects.
Send the traceable sample to the lab.
Approved carpet sections receive traceable quality status before laboratory testing.
Sample identification matches roll 218 exactly.
Pile mass is within the production range. Laboratory technicians measure pile mass to verify. Abrasion testing simulates repeated foot traffic across carpet surfaces realistically.
Cycle count and load are both at specification.
Continue through the required wear interval.
Pile direction is even across the full pattern repeat.
Release this section after the final clean.
Final refinement removes minor
Both borders are straight through the complete repeat.
Width is locked for rolling.
Edge trimming produces clean dimensions for consistent rolling and shipment.
Final vacuuming removes loose fibers before protective materials contact carpet.
Extraction is clearing loose fiber across the
Digitals. Moisture readings are stable across all checked points.
Surface condition is ready for packaging.
Protective inspection confirms finished carpet.
Approved rolls receive packaging instructions matched to destination requirements precisely.
Standard moisture barrier and reinforced ends for this order?
Correct. Use the export-ready wrapping specification.
Packaging crews prepare cores, films, labels, and wrapping equipment carefully.
Core, barrier film labels, and end caps are staged.
Start the roll packaging sequence. Finished carpet winds tightly around sturdy cores without crushing pile.
Both edges are stacking evenly on the core.
Keep rolling at this tension.
No edge drift through the last 3 revolutions.
Tension is holding exactly where we need it.
Controlled tension keeps each carpet roll straight, compact, and protected.
Protective interleaf prevents pile abrasion during rolling and transportation later.
Protective sheet is covering the full finished width.
Keep it centered through the final turns.
Heavy protective film shields finished carpet from dust and moisture.
Identification window remains visible beneath the protective film.
Continue wrapping through the full roll length.
Roll ends receive reinforced caps to prevent shipping damage effectively.
Opposite cap is seated without touching the pile.
Both ends are fully protected.
Automated wrappers rotate each roll while film overlaps evenly around it.
Overlap remains consistent through the center section.
Cycle is finishing on the final end.
Heat sealing closes protective film without contacting the wool surface.
Seal temperature is steady with no film distortion. Keep the contact pressure unchanged.
End seals keep contaminants away while preserving ventilation where required.
Vent points remain clear under the
Every roll receives a unique traceability label before warehouse release.
roll number and style match the release record.
Confirm this label belongs to this package.
Printed codes connect production, inspection, testing, and packaging records together.
Production, laboratory, and packaging records all connect correctly.
Traceability chain is complete.
Dimensions and destination match the customer order exactly.
Apply the shipping label to this roll.
Destination labels identify customer orders, dimensions, and handling requirements clearly.
Product and shipping records match without any exceptions.
Release this roll to the pallet lane.
Center the roll another inch toward the guide.
Centered and lowering now.
Wrapped rolls move onto reinforced pallets for stable warehouse handling. Veteran workers secure pallet loads before transferring them toward storage.
Restraints are tight and the roll cannot shift.
Release this pallet to finish storage. Corner protectors and restraints complete each palletized roll shipment safely.
Done. All contact points have
Finished pallets receive final weight checks before entering warehouse inventory. Hold clear while the final shipping weight stabilizes. Pallet is centered and fully clear. Warehouse tags connect each pallet with its assigned storage location. System assigned this pallet to Rack C, Bay Fort.
Location tag matches the digital record. Restraints, end caps, and protective film remain fully secure.
Clear this pallet for finished storage. Protective inspection confirms every palletized carpet moves through controlled lanes toward finished goods storage.
Rack C is clear and ready for this pallet.
Proceeding to Bay Fortin.
Bay Fortin is confirmed and the support position is clear. Load is seated and stable.
Finished rolls enter organized warehouse racks under controlled environmental conditions. Pallet and rack codes match the assigned storage record.
Inventory location is officially confirmed.
Warehouse aisles keep finished carpet accessible, protected, and fully traceable.
All stored loads are inside their protected rack boundaries.
Main aisle remains completely clear. Termite. Inventory systems record each roll's location, status, and customer assignment.
Customer assignment remains linked to the correct stored roll.
Veteran workers inspect stored rolls for wrap integrity and stability.
Wrap remains sealed and the support position has not shifted.
Humidity remains inside the finished goods storage range.
Airflow and temperature are also steady.
Order picking begins when warehouse teams release scheduled customer shipments.
This is the exact roll assigned to today's shipment.
Confirmed. Moving it to outbound staging.
Shipping crews stage selected carpet rolls by route and destination.
Route 2 receives the regional distribution center orders.
This pallet matches the route manifest.
Final scans verify each outbound pallet against the shipping manifest.
Roll number, weight, and destination all match the manifest.
Clear this pallet for loading.
Roll handlers load secured carpet pallets carefully into freight trailers.
Continue straight, then lower at the marked position.
Position reached and load is coming down.
Load planners balance trailer weight while protecting cylindrical carpet packages.
Forward and rear groups now match the load plan.
Final pallet is centered on its position mark. Cargo restraints prevent finished carpet rolls from shifting during transit.
All restraints are locked and every roll has clearance.
Load is secure for highway transit.
Freight trucks carry finished carpet from the factory toward customers. Distribution center has confirmed your receiving appointment. Copy. Arrival remains on schedule.